Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to your chance to understand algebra better, to understand what's going on in an equation and how it connects to real life and how and why I solve it the way I do. So here's an equation. X plus 15 equals negative 32. What does this mean? It means that I have an amount and some number, and I add 15 to that amount, and I end up with a negative 32. What's a real life situation where that might be? Maybe I have some amount in an account. I owe some amount of money, or I have saved some amount of money, and I add $15 to that account, and after that I owe $32. I still have a negative 32 in the account. I owe 32. So what's my goal? My goal is to try and find out how much was in the account before I added the $15. What was X? What was this mystery amount? And to do that, if I added $15 to the account, I have to now subtract those $15 back away. Take back those $15. And therefore, if after adding the $15 I owed $32, I have to subtract 15 from that amount as well. And what does that get me? That gets me that what I'm left with is X on this side. The unknown amount is negative 47, or I used to owe $47 before I added the 15. How did I get the negative 57? Because negative 32 minus 15 is negative 47. And over here, X plus 15 minus 15 is just the X. So this tells me that I started out owing $47, and then I added $15 to the account, and I only owed $32. To check if that really works, I'll take this negative 47 and put it back in for X and substitute it to see if that sentence works. So here I've substituted it in. Negative 47 plus 15 equals negative 32. And then when I add the negative 47 and 15, I get negative 32. And yes, negative 32 does equal negative 32. It all makes sense. I must have owed $47 before I saved the extra 15 and put it in the account. That's what it all means, and that's why we solve it the way we do. Now, come back next time and you'll learn much more about other algebraic concepts.